I'm running to serve Pennsylvania.
And why we believe it is important. You may be familiar with the act?
I am.
Okay, great. So we recently I actually held a demonstration for my colleagues here at the Capitol, where we brought in folks who, before our eyes, hacked election machines. Those that are being used in many states, but are not state of the art from our perspective.
Republicans have signed on to a bill that would ban abortion nationwide. But if you give me 2 more Democratic senators in the United States Senate, I promise you, we're going to codify Roe.